Run, run, run from the ghetto bird. What you say about the ghetto bird? What you guys say? Huh?
Run, run, run from the ghetto bird.
That's how it is in our hood. You know, to my 10 records, bitch, big cuz, Jim Beans.
Run, 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 bitch. Yeah.
You already know what time it is, man. We'll holler. That's how I go down around here.
Alcoholics. Coconut. You know, we islanders. We love that coconut shit.
You stay with that Coca-Loso, you know what I'm talking about? That's all I fuck with. But here you go one more time for y'all.
Oh!
Run, run, run from the ghetto bird. I know my camera work bad, but I work on it, you know what I'm talking about? I'm bent. Holla.